I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Charge the watch to at least 50% and keep it on the charger. On your iPhone, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure Bluetooth is on. Open the watch app, tap General, then Software Update. The app checks for available updates. Once the update appears, read the release notes so you know what changes to expect, and tap Download and Install. You'll may be prompted for your iPhone passcode. Enter it to authorize the process and keep both devices close. You'll watch the download progress on your iPhone, allow it to finish completely before proceeding. Make sure the iPhone stays unlocked, the watch remains on its charger, and Wi-Fi is stable. Interruption can cause delays. When download completes, tap Install and, if prompted, enter the iPhone passcode again. The update transfers to the watch and installs. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on size. Once installation starts, you'll see a progress wheel on the watch. Avoid restarting devices until it completes. You complete the process by confirming the new Watch OS version in the Watch app under General About. If the watch stalls or the update fails, first restart both your iPhone and watch, then attempt the update again. Restarting often clears temporary issues. If storage is the problem, remove music, podcasts, or large apps on the watch via the Watch app to free space, then retry. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch as a last resort. This restores settings while reinstalling software cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.